I was working on a process where I had to extract a lot of images from a PDF file. Now there are a lot of existing applications. We can just go PDF images from PDF and yes, and they can you can just upload a PDF file and they can give you a zip of the images which are part of that PDF file. Now, this is doable with existing applications, but the way that I or maybe the process that I wanted to follow is that I those PDF files should not be shared on a public domain. So that's why I just cannot upload it anywhere online and then extract the images. So I decided to write a small utility on my own. While I was doing that, I thought of doing it as raw as possible. So if you just look at the uh, packages that I'm using, so I'm just using Streamlit for the UI and Pillow for just extracting or working with the images. Now I'm solely relying on reading every PDF using uh, using a binary in a binary format, and then from that binary format get specific filter types which explicitly tells me that okay, DC if you get a DCT decode and you get a DCT decode with a and inside that DCT decode filter you get a stream, then that's an image and that's a JPG image. And again, if you get a flat E decode, then that's a PNG image. So the idea was that in this application or from the UI is pretty straightforward. Let me run it as well. So sorry, so I have to navigate to PDF and images, then run this. Yeah. So the UI is pretty straightforward. You browse and you select a particular PDF and then click on extract images. Which button will be here, and then you will be extracted the images, and then there will be a folder with the same file name as the PDF, and it will contain all the images inside the PDF. UI is straightforward, and on clicking the button, it's calling this process PDF for images, and you get a file path and an output folder from read PDF and extract file. So you're first reading the file or the PDF data in a byte format, which comes out something like this. Yeah, it's not very easy to read, but there are end streams and start streams subtags, which actually tells you that these are images. So this is purely out of observation of getting a binary or getting bytes out of PDF and then extracting wherever I saw stream sections and then trying to convert it in back into figuring out whether it's a text or an image. And that information I got from the filter type. So I got the bytes and then this is just the output. I was just trying to write it. Then I read that output, and this is all. So this is where the major heavy lifting happens, which where we extract images from PDF. So I have a PDF byte, and this is just the output folder where we need to save those images. Now I just make the folder. I have different patterns. So this is the streaming pattern. This is an X object. This is an image pattern, which we really need. This is to get the width, height, filter, and streams is to get all these streams by matching the stream patterns with the PDF image count. So basically getting all these stream sections, and stream, and then for each stream, uh, figure out whether it's an image pattern, if whether it matches an image pattern. If it matches an image pattern, if it has a height and a width, get that information. If it gets the filter pattern, which is, I mean, if it's an image stream, then it should have a filter, you can say filter substring as part of its a stream. And then we check the filter type and save images. Right now, we are only dealing with JPEG and PNG. So it checks whether your filter type from the stream subset is TCT or flat decode. If it's a JPEG, we can simply just convert that byte to an image object and then save it. If it is a flat, then there's another extra step to decompress it, decompress that stream data using the zlib library, and then whatever data you get, you can save it into the data. The RGB is really unique. It was more like a hit and trial. So this is to validate if the image is actually a black and white image or a color image. So we first try to save that image as a colored image. If it's a colored image, it will go through without any issues. But if it is not a colored image, it will throw an error, and that's when we try to save it as a black and white image. It's more like a fallback mechanism so that we at least get an image if not colored. And once we have that information, we just show it. So I'll quickly run a demo. I'll start with this file. Maybe I should open it up in Finder in a different, yeah, let me open this. So this one has major of images. So as you can see, there are a lot of fancy images in this document. So we'll try to extract that, and I have some more information, like I have my internet bill, and from that bill I'm going to get more information. Then I have some receipts, that from there also I'm going to get that information. So I'll just quickly browse. I'll start with this .NET microservices and extract images. It's running. Yeah, and it gave me 61 images it was able to extract. And right now, this application itself does not have a download option because I really didn't need it. The output actually is in this output underscore net microservices. So I really don't have to implement a download functionality. But if I go ahead and try another, let's say my internet bill, so it contains these many images of the Beam UPI, Airtel, and XYZ, whatnot. Let's try a couple of more. I have a loan application. It has only these two, a Gmail and SBI information. Then I have some receipts which give me QR codes, hospital details, hospital logos, and this one is just for a government website, and it has just these two images. So yeah, if I just quickly go back to, I just saved it so that I don't have to refresh it again and again. If I select the file again, it reads the already extracted images and give me an option to save here. So yeah, this came out pretty handy. So because of this, I did not have to upload my PDF onto any unsecured website. So that, yeah, it made the job. It helped me complete the job that I was assigned. So let me know if you need access to this code. Now I agree that this is not a very, it does not cover all the corner cases that might already be part of a more complex algorithm of extracting images out of a PDF. But this was just a utility that I wanted to create for my use case. So I did it. Let me know if you need access to this code. I can check it in and let you know. And also let me know how you find this video. Thank you so much.